In a bungee jump, the height of the jumper is a function of time since the jump begins. Function h defines the height, in meters, of a jumper above a river. T seconds since leaving the platform. Here is a graph of function h. What is the greatest height that the jumper is from the river? H of t equals 80 is the greatest height the jumper is from the river, so that is the maximum. What is the height from which the jumper is jumping? H of 0 is the initial height for the jump. It's also the vertical intercept of the graph. What is the time at which the jumper reaches the highest point after the first bounce? When t is about 8, the jumper reaches the highest point after the first bounce. This is the first peak in the graph, after the initial jump. What is the lowest point that the jumper reaches in the entire jump? When t is 4, the function hits its lowest point. This is the bottom of the first dip in the graph and the lowest point on the entire graph.